Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy, and today I will show you how to complete your Twitter profile settings. As you know, Twitter is a platform which people are so open and share their private information. So privacy settings can be ignored at this point. Moreover, it does not offer detailed control like Facebook. However, there are some options to control what other users can see and what level they can reach you. So you use your Twitter bio to let the world know who you are in your words actually. And if you're using Twitter for business, tell what your business does. Like use plain language and keywords that people would normally search for. Do you sell real estate in Michigan's Upper Peninsula? Put that in. Are you a corporate travel planner for veterinarians? Put that in. But make it plain. And also keep that in mind that don't use jargon that normal people do not use, and don't make them commercial statements such as "We help you make money overnight." It puts people off, and they're less likely to follow you and maybe even trust you. So, what do we do to enter a bio? So, the first thing what we do is we go to our profile right here. We'll click in this, and then here is our profile page, right? And what we do from here is this. Uh, we have our edit. As you can see, if we would have I would have a bio, it would be showing right here, but I do not. So what I'm gonna do is, uh, right here, we're gonna click edit profile, and then here, as you can see, you can edit your display name, you can add your bio, you can add a location, and all those things. And you can even add a website. Maybe let's assume that you're a designer and you want people to see your works, or you're an artist and you still want people to see your works. That's how it happens. So we have, let's go from here. We're clicking edit profile, right? And here we can add, for example, I'm a designer, so I can put that. This is all I want people to know, but you can put up the 160 characters right here. You can talk about yourself in 160 characters. Also, on this page, you have the option to, as I told you, add your website. If I would have, right now, I have a portfolio, but I can just, let's assume it is one of them. We can click, we can copy paste our website. And here we can add our location. For example, I live in Istanbul, so I can put it sorry, like this. And also, when if you haven't put your full name here, maybe you just put your capital initials, you can just change it right here as like this, which I already have it the way it is, but you can change it. So when you're doing this, this is done, right? The only thing we have to do right now, when we click the save, as you can see, it is showing where I am at, where I'm from. It is showing that I am a designer in my bio, which I could have even put more. And this is how it is actually. But let's assume that you want to change it or you want to delete it. And now I'm going to show you how to change it. So what we do is, for example, I want to delete. I don't want it to be there. We're just deleting it like this, even our location, and we're saving it. By the way, you also can add your date of birth onto your profile. And we're gonna click save again, and those things disappear. And as you may have already noticed, there are also additional tabs to complete in your Twitter like profile potential, such as like other than your profile tab on the settings page. uh, you can do them from there too. You can do such things like this. For example, let's go to our account from more and settings and privacy. Yes. For example, right now when you just click that, you're gonna have your account here. And from here, you can, when you do this, you can change your username. Yes, the one that starts with A, and it has to be unique. But I don't want to change it for now, so I go back. And from here, like the account tab allows you to change your Twitter username and then the email associated with it also right here. Or you can change your phone number. That maybe you got a new phone, or you don't have you don't want your phone to be there anymore, and you want to associate your account with your email. You can also delete this one. You can delete your phone number or update your phone number, or you can just add an email address if you don't have it. And also, uh, there's password right here, as we can see. And here, we're gonna write down our current password. And if we're going to change it, then we're gonna put our new password, and we have to confirm. And then when we click save, then our password is gonna be changed. And there is also notifications. There's a privacy and safety. From here, for example, you have changed your bio, you have done everything, but you actually don't want your tweets to be around people. Let's just assume that way. So what you do is to make your profile hidden, you can do this. When you click to this, only it's gonna only show your tweets to people who follow you. People who do not follow you cannot see your tweets. So I do not want to do it. And when it comes to direct messages here, if you don't want to receive messages from anyone, which I don't want to, that's why it's not ticked. But if I want to, what do I do is I click here and I will be able to receive messages from anyone. Anyone who even doesn't follow me can send me those things. So also there's this safety place that you can choose your safety settings and everything. So this is also what I can show you from here. You can also edit your notifications. Like you have edited your profile and everything with your privacy, your account information, and you can also edit your notifications, content preference, everything from this page. So if you have any questions about this part, you can ask me questions about it under the comments and I will be there to reply your questions. And if you want to ask, it doesn't have to be related to this video, but if you have any questions, you can ask me down on the comments and I will reply your questions. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So see you later.